In this video I'm going to show you how to use integration to work out this area here and this one here. So you've got a red line here, so this is your red line here, and you've got a blue line which is this line here. So you could say, oh, the area is the integral, and then you would say you could say, oh, get the blue line, get the blue line, get the blue, take away the red line. So take away the red line. You could say this, dx. So when you look at the blue, if you jump to the blue, let's just imagine this is positive 2, and imagine this is negative 3. Just imagine. So here, blue would be blue here. When you jump to blue, you could say, oh, it's 2, and then you minus the red. Imagine the red is negative 3. Negative 3. So in which case a negative and a negative, it would be a positive. So it will give you a height of 5, which is good. But then it won't work in the negative realm. So when you look at this, hang on, remember you're summing up all the heights. So let's just imagine x is currently here. Hang on. Imagine x is currently here. So this height here, when you say get blue, take away red, it won't work in this region, because if you get blue, well, you jump to the blue. Let's say the blue is negative 2. So the blue is negative 2 because it's right here when you jump to the blue line, and then you take away the red line. Let's just imagine this is 3, positive 3. Take away positive 3. So here the length is saying, if you simply get blue, take away red, it will give you a length of negative 5. But here you can see that is a length is a length. You can't have a negative length. You see, this blue take away red won't work in this region, but it will work in this region. So to find the area, you can't have a negative area. So to find this area, you have to break it up into two different integrals. So area equals the integral from negative 2 to 0, from negative 2 to 0, and then in this region here you have to get red take away blue. You have to get red, take away blue, dx, and then plus, and then set up another integral from 0 to 2 because of this, from 0 to 2, and then in this region you have to get blue take away red. You have to get blue take away red dx. So this whole area here is given by this. So remember, red is this thing here, and blue is this thing here. So this whole thing here will then become this, will then become this, will then become this. So so this is your, hang on, this is your, hang on, remember red is this thing here, so this thing here is red. So hang on, red is this thing here. So this is your red, and this is your blue, and then this is your blue, this is your red. So now the whole area is given by this. So now it's just a matter of tidying this up. So this is negative, so this is your red here, and then you take away, and then you plus this, and then this thing here will simplify to this, and then tidy this up. It will then give you this. Now it's just a matter of integrating. So integrate it. When you integrate this, it will give you this. Integrate this, it will give you this. Integrate from negative 2 to 0, from negative 2 to 0, from 0 to 2. So now you've got to put this into here, and then this into here, which will be 0 take away 0, and then you take away. Now put negative 2 into here, that will give you this, and then put negative 2 into here, that will then give you this, and then you've got your plus, and then put 2 into here, put 2 into here, that will then give you this thing here, and then take away, put this into here, put this into here, that will then give you this thing here. Work it all out, the area should be 16. Okay.